Hey everyone, this week we're gonna be we got a leak on the top of the RV, so I got some RV tape 4 inches long. It's real sticky, so once you put it down, it's stuck. But I've used it before. I just never did a video about it. But I'll show you. I got it off of Amazon. I'll do a picture right after this so you know what it's called. You know, everybody hates to get up on the roof, but hey, gotta take care of your investment. So I guess we might as well get to it. So I think right here is the culprit. So we had a hole in there, so I'm gonna clean that caulking up and put tape on it. Don't know if I'm gonna do that yet or not. Probably. But let's clean it up a little bit. I'll show you what it looks like when I get it cleaned up. Okay, so I got it cleaned up. We're gonna put the tape on it now. Okay, so there it is. We'll see how that works out. Looks pretty good. It will serve its purpose. Thanks for watching.